Hi, today I'm going to go over the app called Khan Academy. And the reason I chose this app is because it was a part of our blended learning text. Um, I am currently using a math app called Prodigy Math, but I wanted another app that allowed students to learn at their level. And so this is an app that provides exercises for students along with instructional videos. So students are watching videos on how to complete a math activity, and then they do an exercise along with it to help them with their learning. Students can learn at their own pace in the classroom as well as outside of the classroom. It's geared towards students that are in kindergarten all the way up to high school. And it is free for everyone and for students everywhere. I would like to use this app in my math station rotation model. Like I said, I'm using Prodigy Math right now, but want to eventually replace it with something that's more effective for my students. And then the resources this week that we read about when I went to Edutopia, I looked under the Teachers Meet Graphite, and here is where I went and saw that they kind of gave reviews about Khan Academy and what it entails, and giving its pros and cons to it, which I really liked. And then I also went and listened to the TED Talk from Jeff Stead, and he did a really good job talking about how we need to use technology as a tool to change things instead of just a passive thing you consume. I really strongly believe also that technology is a tool, that we use it to create and make things. And obviously things will get wrong and will fail, but we just keep improving. And really that the students are the experts and letting them be a part of the learning and the puzzle to help guide their learning. And then in the article we read about teaching and learning with mobile computing devices. What stuck out to me was that mobile learning is learning across multiple contexts through social and content interactions using personal electronic devices. Talking about how we need to engage learners with constant connectivity to foster collaborative learning and to enable authentic learning on the move. And in order to make those things happen, teachers need to be provided with resources and training in addition to hardware, software, and networks in order to have successful technology integration. So those are all things that will help improve student learning through technology. Another thing is the benefits that students and teachers are using for this app. Students will be able to learn at their own pace, and they'll be able to access the work outside of the classroom. So if they want to continue the work at home and further their knowledge, I think that just shows that students want to have that lifelong learning in them. And then for teachers, it helps with the students that are kind of beyond the grade level skills and need extra instruction to meet their needs. It allows us as teachers to not kind of like have extra planning on our hands, but to allow the students to be able to learn from the instructional videos that are already on that app. Barriers or potential problems that I can foresee, I guess a couple of things might be that students may not listen to the entire instructional video, and because of that, they'll skip right to the exercises and try to complete the tasks without even learning what the skill is. And then because of that, it'll hinder the students from learning what it is that they want to achieve. I think my students will be able to achieve, I guess, learning beyond what they can in the classroom, beyond the grade level skills that I'm teaching, that they're able to learn third grade math skills or even fourth grade math skills for the students that are beyond the level that they are now. And so I hope that Khan Academy would be able to achieve that for my students. And I just look forward to exploring this app a little bit more, and I guess just waiting to see what my students and how my students respond to it once I implement it. So thanks for listening.